What's up guys, Ty with Hawks Outdoors here. Today I'm going to be giving you kind of a little run through on the Expedition 2024 T3. This one's in the tan model. I'm going to give you guys a little run through. Starting off, I want to go over some of the electrical components we have in this trailer. This is really where the value lies in this bad boy. So you got full lithium hookup, you got your red arc battery charger, you got the Xantrack, you got everything in here. It's ready to go, all hooked up. You really don't need to do a whole lot for this thing to be ready for the trail. So this is one of my favorite components of the trailer for sure. Moving down the trailer, you got your full outdoor water hookups, your full outdoor shower, hot and cold water. We'll go over the hot water heater on the other side. You got your Sure Power hookup right here. You actually got kind of an inlet right here. Run your extension cords in there. They're protected from the weather. You just close it up like that. One of the coolest parts about this trailer is the built-in refrigerator slide. When you open this bad boy up, just hook it in right there. It's not going anywhere. Molly panel on the side. You can hook anything you want to it. You can even go as far as mounting a roto pack to it. Built-in refrigerator slide. It's actually really good size. You can fit probably a 55-liter fridge freezer in there. Obviously, you got all your hookups in there. Close this up. Continuing down the trailer, you open this up right here. You got your red arc power monitor. Everything's already hooked up. This is actually a little kind of a safe if you're out camping or whatever. You can lock your stuff up in there. All of these cabinets are lockable and everything like that, but this just adds a little bit of protection. Got your water pumps run through here, everything like that. Fully cube rigid lights, all hooked up, ready to go. Now let's move to the back. Moving to the back, starting off, this is your water inlet right here. You've also got two USB ports right here, charge up your phones. Got a little 12-volt car charger right there. Molly panel on the back. I've seen people mount roto packs to this. I mean, you pretty much name it, you can mount it to it. Needle ridge grapplers, obviously. Best tires on the market. Primary propane tank right here. This is something that they did, that you got two propane tanks, a primary and a secondary. This one's all hooked up to your water heater, everything like that. And then this is your secondary tank. Staying on this side, one cool little thing that they do on all their trailers, they add this little bottle opener right here. That's pretty handy, cool little thing. Over here, you got two more 12-volt plug-ins right here, more USB ports, and another car charger, more rigid lights. Let's open this bad boy up. Moving to the back, we got the tire swing opened up. You got a little side table right here you can put down when you're cooking. Opening up the back here. Same kind of locking system as on the fridge slide door. It locks in just like that. It's not going anywhere. Turtleback actually added little spice containers right here for when you're cooking. It's easy to access. Got another little pop down table right here. All three of these drawers can pull out just like that. You can organize it however you need. These come out so you can kind of organize it like how you want. Put that back in. Like I said, all three of these drawers pull out. That's just more storage. Now let's get to the cool stuff. This slide out right here. You've got a full Dometic sink with hot and cold water. Runs off your water pump. You got a higher pressure little spigot right here. When you're washing dishes, you know you got that grime and grease. You got to get off of there. Full cooktop, dual burner. Hooked up to your primary tank. You got a little switch right here that you turn it on. It's on the side right there. You can kind of see it. As the drawer pushes in, it will actually kill this switch, so you don't have to worry about when you're traveling. You don't have to worry about propane leaking, anything like that. Got more little storage under here when you're cooking. And this stove top, it actually has these little wind guards, which come in pretty handy. I found out firsthand. They come in pretty handy. And that's the back of this bad boy. Moving to the passenger side of the trailer. In here you got a little extra storage, some shelves. You can stick your tools in here, whatever you need while you're on the road, you can throw it in here. This is your water heater. Open this up. All hooked up, ready to go. And then right here is just another little entry point into the side of the trailer. You could potentially get into your refrigerator from this side. That side, the pull-out goes out. You got your Turtleback emblem right here. This will actually light up. It's got lights in it. You got more plug-ins right here, a couple USBs. In here you can access your water lines, your antifreeze right there, and pretty much everything you think you can access from right there. Molly panel on the side, just like all the doors, mounting stuff to it. Super, super versatile, and not to mention the Expedition T3 comes with a Front Runner Slimline Pro. You can mount your rooftop tent to it, whatever you need. Now getting into the nitty gritty, underneath the trailer you'll see it's got independent suspension. You got the Icon reservoir shocks back there. Trailer brakes, everything you'd ever need. This thing gets pretty heavy when you got it all loaded down, so you're gonna need those trailer brakes. And speaking of the trailer brakes, let's go to the tongue. 7-way connector, 7-pin connector right here. And this is actually a new hitch system that I have never seen before. It's a Cruise Master. And all you do is you hook it up to your truck. It's got a little pin in it. All you gotta do, move that, put the pin in there, lock it in. It's actually got on the tongue, it's actually got an e-brake, so when you're kind of rolling the trailer, you can hit that e-brake and the trailer's not going anywhere. So that's a really cool feature about it. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's the Expedition T3 2024 model in tan. Come check it out at Hawks Outdoors. We'll see you here.